Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily fix touchscreen not responding on your Honor Pad V9. So let's start off by removing a screen protector and a case because it can cause a lot of interference with the touch. As you guys can see here, we have the endings of our case. So when you notice that they are covering a bit of screen, then this might be the issue. As you guys can see, it does not cover the screen. Some cases are very large here and they can cause the screen to become less responsive. So when you have the original case, then you have nothing to worry about. Also with the screen protector, it has to be applied perfectly. It cannot be misaligned. It has to be applied, as you guys can see, just like that. It has to be applied perfectly. It can't be misaligned. Let's say here you will have more screen protector and here you will have none at the edges. So it can also cause unresponsiveness from the screen. So make sure to get a good screen protector. And next one is the microfiber cloth. Basically we need to clean our screen with it. So let's give it a few wipes. Don't go too hard on the screen though. Do it nice and easy. Do it slowly. And now you're good. So the next one is basically to restart the tablet. It will try and refresh the system, so don't mind the Gemini popping up. Keep on holding the power button until you guys see this. Now let's click restart and touch again to restart. So I'll see you guys once my tablet is restarted. So after restarting our device, what we can try and do is to update our software. So go to settings. Now here we need to scroll down until we see system and updates, almost at the bottom. Now click software update, and here make sure that you're running the latest version of your Magic OS. It's very important because it can fix a lot of glitches. So for example, when you're running the older version, then it might contain a lot of glitches, and when you update to the latest one, then those glitches might disappear. So this is why updating your software is very important. Now if this didn't help you, then go to system and updates back again. Go to backup and restore and back up all of your important files either locally on the device or through the Google backup. Now go to reset and here click reset tablet. Click it once and click it again. And if the factory reset still did not help you, then you need to contact the Honor customer support and explain the situation to them. So that would be it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment. Bye.